Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I came here in my place to have lunch in our farming place. I'm with my family, with my mom and dad, and also some special one. So we are going for our lunch. We are in our way, so I'll show you all what are we going to cook and what are we going to have over there. So cooking is done. We have cooked everything in the house itself. Now we're going to our gairing. We call it in our local language, we call it gairing. We also call it kairing in our place, in our language. So we are going to have lunch over there. So take a look at everyone. This is my mom, this is my dad. We're on our way. And now we are climbing this. This is the place where we'll be climbing, and we will reach to our destinations. Where are we planning to have our food? So manin luyat. चलो चप्पल टेगो चप्पल नो come 0.5 because we'll be nearby. Solo, we're almost there. Bahok. So this is all my land. Check it out, it's all. Climb with me. 1 year ago. So, chalo, we are on our move. We're going to reach just after this bamboo. We got some bamboo shoot. So we're going to get a lot of bamboo shoot. While we come back, we'll get it. Sure. Also, it's going to be bamboo shoot. So finally we are here after 15 to 20 minutes of walking distance. We are coming here to have our lunch with my mom and dad. So this is where this is the place where mom and dad, they really work hard and they build up all this. So this is where we're going to have a rubber plantations. So let's go there. They planted rice over here. Let me keep the things. Ay. Oh. mà thỉnh thế
Nghe thì ngoan ta ọt được rồi.
phật lại ngay kora
Hoặc là tụ một cả cổ.
số ngày thế
Nhưng mà
hàng ngày thế
không ai không cạnh hồ rồi. Không tụ một cả cổ rồi.
ok
Nhưng ai không ọt thì nhưng mà sợi lùm cho ta cạnh hồ chưa. Ê,
see the rubbers are already growing. Okay, finally today I came to witness my mom and dad. They're really working really hard. You know, sometimes we should see how really they really work hard. Our mom and dad and all. So I just came to witness their farming and all those kind of things, cultivation and all. This is agar. This is where I planted. I still remember. This is agar tree, and show you where I am right now. So this is the place where my mom and dad are they're really hats off to them. So I'm really hungry since morning. Not have anything. We'll be going to have food. Okay. So we are having only pork, so we'll be having pork only. We're running out of time, so this is what we cooked. Ding, ding. Mom is eating this horrible eye. So thank you everyone staying tuned till the end of the video. So done for today, and we are done with our food and returning back home. So a small gathering with my mom and dad, having lunch before I go back for my work. So we are done for today, and thank you staying tuned till the end, and take care and keep loving, stay safe, and sometimes give time to your parents, to your mom and dad, if it's very available on time. So thank you, bye bye.